It can be very annoying when the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy S23 randomly closes or crashes while you're trying to take a photo or video. There are a few potential causes for this issue that you can troubleshoot to resolve the unexpected camera closures. Before we move on, please take a second to like our video or even share it with your friends who might have issues with their devices. It's a great help for us. Now let's jump right into our tips. Restart your device. The first thing you should do if you encounter this problem is to restart your phone, because most of the time, this is just another app issue. Just swipe down from the top of the screen twice and tap the power icon. When the power options show, tap restart and then confirm you want to reboot your phone. Wait for your phone to reboot and then try launching the camera again to check if it still crashes. If the issue persists, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Check your phone's storage. One possibility why the camera app closes unexpectedly is when your phone is already low on storage. What happens is that the camera can no longer save photos or videos in your phone's memory, which will often result in errors or crashes. To make sure your phone still has sufficient storage space, launch Settings, and then select Battery and Device Care. On the next screen, tap Storage, and check how much space is available. If necessary, delete some of your old photos, videos, or uninstall unused apps. Reset the camera app. An app reset simply means clearing the cache and data of the problematic app, and in this case, it's the camera. If it's just a minor issue with the app, then this solution will be enough to fix it. Here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your device. From there, navigate to the Apps section and look for Camera. Once you find it, tap on it to access its settings. Scroll down until you see the storage option and tap on it. Here, you will see options to clear cache and clear data. Tap on both of these options to complete the process. Doing this will delete temporary files that the app uses, but it will not delete any of your photos or videos. Factory reset your phone. The first three solutions are often enough to fix the camera that closes unexpectedly on your Galaxy S23. However, if it persists, then you have no other choice but to reset your phone. A factory reset will delete all your personal files and data, so make sure to create a backup before doing it. To factory reset your phone, open Settings, and then tap General Management. On the next screen, scroll down and tap Reset. And finally, select Factory Data Reset. Tap Reset and confirm when prompted. After the reset, you have to check the camera first before restoring anything. If this fails as well, then you have to get your phone checked. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.